The topic that we are starting today is a very important topic in this chapter, that is dimension. So first we'll walk through with the definition of it. Dimension in physics of a physical quantity is the index of each of the fundamental quantity, that is length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, current, which expresses that quantity. Now what this definition means? It means that every quantity in physics can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantity. For example, let us say if I talk about speed, speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed can be expressed in terms of distance and time. Now if I say acceleration, acceleration is velocity divided by time. Now as velocity can also be given in terms of mass and time, so length and time. So acceleration can also be expressed in these quantities. So every quantity in physics can be expressed in terms of these physical quantities. For example, let us say speed. I want to find dimension of speed. Now you all know what is the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now distance comes under length and time under t. So dimensional formula of speed can be given as LT minus 1. You have to make these bracket outside these. So whenever you write dimensional formula, make sure you are using these brackets while writing the formula. Now if I want to find dimension of acceleration, okay, acceleration. Now just remember the basic formula of acceleration, that is change in velocity divided by time. So that means velocity divided by time. Now velocity and speed have the same dimension because velocity is displacement by time. So distance is length and time is time. So velocity and speed dimension wise are same. So if I put the value of velocity, dimension of velocity, that is LT minus 1 divided by time. Now this t when comes up, it becomes minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 become minus 2. So dimensional formula of acceleration would be L T minus 2. This is the dimension formula of acceleration. Now every quantity can be expressed in terms of ml and t in mechanics. So we will be dealing with mechanics only in the first half of this class 11. So basically we will be dealing with mass, length and time when we are talking about the dimensions. Now let us say force. Now you want to find dimension of force. Now force is given by, if you remember, force formula is mass into acceleration, m into a, mass into acceleration. Dimension of mass is m only, and dimension of acceleration is LT minus 2. If you see here, we've already find it out. So dimensional formula of force would be mLT minus 2. This. Now suppose you want to find dimension of work. Now formula of work is force into displacement, right? Now force is mLT minus 2. This is the way you have to find it. After some time you will memorize it. The dimension of force is mLT minus 2, and displacement would be under what dimension? Obviously length. Length. So it becomes ml square and t minus 2. This is the dimension of work. So just by doing this you can find dimension of every quantity in physics. Now if you want to find dimension of let us say Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half mv square. So half, just take it out for dimension because it does not have any dimensions. Mass, v square. V square means velocity square. Velocity dimension lt minus 1 whole square. And then you can find dimension of kinetic energy. And you can continue to find dimensions of any quantity in physics like this.